It's smelling so good, isn't it?
Yes, it's perfect. Add a little more spice.
Here, taste it now. Look, these flowers are perfect.
Yes, I'll mix them.
And I'll add the herbs. It's going to be great.
This one looks perfect. Yes, these will be great for dinner. Now, let's add the chicken. In it goes. Time to give it a good stir. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. It smells wonderful. I hope you like it.
For you, my dear.
It looks wonderful, thank you.
Only the best for you.
I love it.